Alright, boys and girls and beautiful fans, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday, a possibility for you guys to wish on this channel and for me to bring them up for you on Wednesdays. And this time we have you, Paul Cao, I'm not really sure, CAO. You know who you are. You wish for the song from UMI, Bird's Eye View. So cool song, and yeah, a little bit different in my opinion, but it was fun to do this one. So this one is special for you, Paul, and for all you UMI fans. We had UMI here before on this channel, so this one is for you as well. So let's look at the song. We have 4 chords, and that goes in the same order through the entire song. We have the strumming pattern we'll look at later, but we'll start with the melody, and absolutely the first thing we need to do is to look at the chords and the grips. So that is what we're gonna start with. No need for any tape on this one. So the 4 chords we'll use will be C sharp dim, strange name, but that's the chord. Then the D7 sus2, the B minor, and E minor. In that order will be the song, okay? So let's look at the chords. So the C sharp chord, this, okay? So that is 4th on A, and then it's actually open D, but we'll not use that one. Yeah, of course, when it comes to the strumming, we will not focus on this open D. And then it's open G, 2nd B, and open E. A little strange, but the C sharp dim, that's the name of this chord. Next chord will be D7 sus2, okay? That's the chord here. We have open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. 3rd chord, B minor. So I put a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings from the bottom up like this. And then we have 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be E minor. You can add in this one as well, but the basic standard E minor is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. For this song, you can actually add the 3rd fret B string. Okay, so yeah, let's look at the melody first. We'll look at the melody divided into each and every chord there. So we'll start with the C sharp dim chord, okay? That part sounds like this. Okay, so we'll start with the 4th A together with open E, then open E again, then 2nd B, then 3rd E, open E, and back to 2nd B. Okay, so when I do this 3rd E to open E, I use the pull-off technique there. So I hit the 3rd E, and then I just snap the open E with my finger on my left hand, which I'm using on the 3rd E. So I don't hit the E there 2 times with my right hand. I make the open E with my finger I'm using on the 3rd E. All right, so that's the pull-off technique there. Okay, let's move on to the D7 chord. Sounds like this. So here you can use and pick all the strings from the chord as they are. So open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. If you want, you can use and pick all these strings. If you don't do that, the main strings will be the open D and open E. But if you can do the chord, why not? It sounds better in my opinion, okay? So pick all these in the beginning there. and then you will play first B, open E, back to first B, then third E, open E, first B, and open E. Slowly. And the same case here when it comes to the third E to open E. I use the pull-off technique there as well. So I hit the third E just once, and then I snap it with my little pinky there I'm using for the third E to get the open E. Okay? That gives you some great momentum there. You don't have to work that much with everything. So, like that. All right? Next chord will be B minor. That part sounds like this. Pretty easy. So from the chord, I pick all the strings between A to B. So that means second A, fourth D, fourth G, third B. So I pick all these strings. The main strings here will be second A and third B. Okay. So pick all or just these two. And the rest will be third B again, fourth G, second E, third B, and fourth G. Slowly. And then we'll have the final chord left, the E minor. That part sounds like this. So that is, again, I picked there 4 strings, that's what I do. So I picked the open E, the second D, the open G, and third B. All these together. And if you don't want to pick all these strings, because you're not like I am, then you should focus on the open E together with third B. Okay, so in any case, you get this one and the rest will be open B, open E, back to open B, then third E, open E, open B, and finally open E. And again, same case here, you go from the third E and you snap it to get the open E. So pull off technique there. So slowly this part, E minor part, sounds like this. Yeah, and there you have it, this melody. So it will sound like this, a little bit slower. All right, beautiful. Now let's do the final thing here. Look at the strumming, and here we need to think as pair of chord. Okay, so the C sharp will pair up with the D7 chord, and that will make one strumming pattern, you can say, and you will apply the same strumming for the B minor, which pair ups with the E minor. So let's look at the B minor E minor transition there. Why not? So the B minor and C sharp will play in the same way, like I mentioned. So the first part will be like this. So that is down, down, up, clap, up, down. And the second part, you will play that with E minor or the D7, depends. You'll play in the same way, and that will be up, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So up, and a short pause there again, and then up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So for E minor. A little bit slower. So if you connect these two chords, B minor and E minor, a little bit slower, it sounds like this. Yeah, it will play in the same way for the C sharp to the D7 chord. It will be like this. And then B minor, E minor. Freaked out that like just a little bit. It's fun sometimes. That is UMI Bird's Eye View. So strange name, Bird's Eye, Bird Eyes Views. No, Bird's Eye View. Anyway, Polka, thank you for showing me this song. A little different. I liked that, and I hope you're satisfied. And all you UMI fans, hope to see you soon and continue interact with me. Wish here on this channel, perhaps your song will show up here. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.